Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Kenworth T900 Motorhome, a powerhouse on wheels that brings together the performance of a semi-truck and the luxury of a high-end RV. Whether you're planning a cross-country, road trip, or living full-time on the road, this beast is designed to provide both comfort and capability. Let's start with performance. Under the hood, the T900 Motorhome is powered by a 15.0-liter Cummins X15 engine, producing up to 605 horsepower and an incredible 2,050 lb-ft of torque. This massive powertrain ensures effortless cruising on highways and enough muscle to conquer steep mountain roads. Paired with an Eaton 18-speed automated transmission, gear shifts are smooth and efficient, optimizing fuel consumption while maintaining power. With a 300-gallon fuel capacity, this motorhome is built for long hauls without frequent stops. Now, let's step inside and experience the luxury. The cabin is designed for both comfort and convenience, featuring high-end leather seating, handcrafted, wood accents, and a spacious living area with multiple slide-outs. The motorhome includes a full-size kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, a residential-style refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a 3-burner gas stove. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or preparing a gourmet dinner, the T900 Motorhome has you covered. The bedroom is nothing short of impressive, offering a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and integrated reading lights. The full bathroom includes a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with ample storage. The entire interior is climate-controlled, and with smart home integration, you can adjust lighting, temperature, and even entertainment from your smartphone or via voice commands. On the road, safety and convenience are top priorities. The T900 Motorhome features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a collision mitigation system to help keep you safe on long journeys. Its advanced air suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views, while the soundproofed cabin reduces road noise for a peaceful driving experience. For outdoor enthusiasts, this motorhome comes equipped with everything you need to enjoy life outside. It features rooftop solar panels, a built-in power generator, and an exterior entertainment system with a retractable awning, LED lighting, and weatherproof speakers. There's even an option for a toy hauler garage, making it easy to bring along ATVs, motorcycles, or extra gear for your adventures. The 2025 Kenworth T900 Motorhome is the perfect combination of power, luxury, and convenience. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time nomad, this motorhome is built to take you anywhere in style and comfort. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer.